हेलो एवरीवन, मैं उस सब पे भारी आकाश तिवारी एंड आज हमारे साथ है आनंद भास्कर। अभी तुम लोगों को पता रहना चाहिए कौन, अगर नहीं पता तो तुम लोग डूब मरो।
ऐसा नहीं है यार।
We had decided कि you will be teaching us the creative process.
How I write is completely dependent on the musical idea I have in my head. So for example, I remember I used to work this back in 2008 and I was with an ad agency. तो जब 26/11 attacks हुए, I was very disturbed. Usually क्या है कि newspapers and news channels ना, they've desensitized us to things, okay? But when it happened in our own city, I was personally affected by it, right? मतलब उस दिन बीटी स्टेशन पे क्या पता मेरी जान पहचान के 10 लोग हों जिनको गोली लग गई, all these thoughts were going in my head. And मैं रात को 2-3 बजे तक ऑफिस में बंद था. तो जब बाहर निकला तो उस टाइम पे सैलरी भी कम थी मेरी, तो और मैं रहता भी बहुत दूर था. तो जब मुझे फाइनली टैक्सी मिली, उस टैक्सी ने मुझसे 1200 रुपए या 1300 रुपए लिए पहुंचने के लिए. और उस टाइम पे वो बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट थी मेरे लिए. एंड सो द फैक्ट दैट वीव बीन अटैक्ड, मतलब फ्रस्ट्रेशन इन लाइफ इन जनरल kind of put me in a very bad, I would say very pensive mood, not bad mood. तो जब मैं घर पहुंचा तो मैंने अपनी चाबी जब दरवाजे में लगाई और दरवाजा खोला तो मेरे मुंह से I was humming, anyway I was humming to calm myself. तो I started humming something like that. Okay. I was humming. And then सामने गिटार पड़ा था, तो I just picked up and I started doing this. Now I was like, मैं गा रहा हूँ, and then this melody has these syllables, right? Da 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 da. So automatically मेरे मुंह से निकला हे And I don't usually write songs when I'm disturbed, but for this I had to do something just to calm myself. तो सामने मेरी lyrics की notebook थी, मैंने उठाई और मैंने लिखना शुरू किया. तो so immediately मेरे मन में lyrics आने लगे. So मुफलसी तेरे नाम पे खून बहे, तेरे नाम पे नफरतें पर पे यहाँ ये देख कर कि तू है कहाँ. That's how the song took shape. And what I do is ना, जो मेरा writing process है उसमें I keep humming throughout the day. Something, anything. I'll be doing. There's something that I just made up right now. So. Now you could put any lyrics to it, like literally anything. हूँ मैं आज आकाश के साथ Instagram पे live. I mean, you could really do anything to it.
Oh shit!
So that's how that's how I write. मैं गाने लगता हूँ and गाते गाते if something really feels unique to me, I'm like, okay, let me pull out my phone, voice note बना दिया. अब फिर उसको मैंने अपने DAW में like import किया and then chords figure out किए वगैरह. And then now for example this now the notes in this melody are so like somber. They're not happy notes, they're serious notes. So that determines the emotion of the song, and then emotion kind of determines the theme of the song, and then the theme of the song determines the lyrics of the song, and that's how I write lyrics. So then the lyrics. The idea about writing a song is कि आपको you shouldn't force yourself to write. जबरदस्ती करने से कभी भी, जबरदस्ती का जो रिजल्ट होता है ना, वो हमेशा खराब होता है, वो कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होता है. तो आपको जब आप दिल से कुछ फील कर रहे हो, whether you're a painter, whether you're a script writer, whether you're a poet, or whether you're a musician, अगर आपको मन में एक फीलिंग आ रही है और आपको you really like are moved by it, okay, don't worry about कोई और क्या सोचेगा इस बारे में. Like I wrote and I was like, this feels good to me, मेरे कानों को अच्छा लग रहा है ये, तो पहले मैं इसको जस्टिफाई करूंगा, फिर मैं लोगों को सुनाऊंगा और उनसे उसका व्यू लूंगा. Luckily my bandmates added the life to it, you know. मतलब when I sent this song to Ajay, it was literally like this. And then Meri Jaan. It was supposed to be one unplugged, stripped down song.
Okay.
Then Ajay called me and said, listen, I have a few violin ideas for the song. Is it okay if I do my own thing with it? I was like, go ahead, bro.
Yeah.
However your musicality reacts to the song, do it.
Yeah.
Then he recorded his violin parts and he sent it back to me. And that string section that you hear, that it sounds like one orchestra is playing. And the moment, सोच के ही मुझे goosebumps आ रहे. The moment I heard it, I was like, wow, this song has gone from 5 to 10. It's like 0 to 240 miles per hour. So he wrote those parts, he wrote the violin solo. It was beautiful. मतलब, so my writing process is this. मैं बैठता नहीं हूँ गाना बनाने के लिए. मैं एक गिटार उठाता हूँ और बजाने लगता हूँ. कुछ बना तो बना, नहीं बना तो फिर जाके मैगी बना लो या नेटफ्लिक्स देख लो.
बट आई वांट टू इम्प्रूव इनटू राइटिंग, क्योंकि कैसा है कि कभी कभार है ना, तो आई जस्ट थिंक कि मैं एवरीडे कुछ लिखने का ट्राई करता हूँ. राइट प्रोसेस की एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ लिखते रहो, कि आप बोले जैसा कि फोर्स मत करो.
That's a good process. That's a good process. So for me now, my goal is every day I have to make a new song. So sometimes the song ideas are shit. Sometimes the song ideas are great, but I save everything I make. It's like that. Okay? Sometimes it's electronic music. Sometimes it's acoustic music. Sometimes it's classical. Sometimes it's rock. But I save everything, either on my phone or on my computer. You know, like see, you can see that I have a home studio. So I
बहुत पैसे खर्चे करने पड़े.
थोड़े बहुत, ज़्यादा नहीं.
Okay.
मतलब this is like a business investment because my clients come home. So anyway, coming back to your question.
Yeah.
अच्छा, मेरा ये मानना है, everybody in the world can do everything in the world. There is no restriction on what you can or cannot do. If you want to be a singer, you can be a singer. Everybody can sing. If you want to be a composer, you can be a composer. Everybody can compose. You want to be a dancer, artist, painter. If you spend enough time doing it, you will do it well. मतलब that is it. तुम्हारे interest level पे है वो. Now, if you want to be a writer, Akash, you should start writing more and more. Say for example, आज कुछ लिखने को नहीं मिल रहा है, so you take a pen and paper, you look outside the window, start describing what you see. But when you are describing it on paper, try to figure how best you can describe it. Matlab, what is the best combination of words you will use to describe what you see outside of the window.
Okay.
You know, that improves your writing skill. ठीक है. अब मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि बाहर कौवा बोल रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन उसी चीज को मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि कौवे की मधुर काक मुझे सुनाई पड़ रही है. मतलब you can always find ways to beautify things, and at the end of the day, that's art.
Yeah.
Right. So you can whatever you do, you just need to do it regularly so that it becomes practice, and practice makes perfect. Practice makes a person perfect.
Does it break your heart, or is it difficult, like when people leave?
It is a negative experience, right?
Yeah.
When somebody leaves your band, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
but sometimes it's also positive. You know,
Okay.
like when somebody leaves and somebody better joins the lineup, I think it's better for the band, I feel. So our guitar player right now, like, is easily one of the best things to have happened to our band. Band became whole again. It became, I think it became like a good thing for us. We became more mature sound wise, music writing wise,
Okay.
and overall it became like क्या कहते हैं, a good step forward. Instead of us slowing down, we took a step forward and we now are writing fresh music. I'll tell you what, when we've played certain colleges in the north, and
Okay.
I never thought that we'll have hecklers. You know, hecklers are
Okay.
people in the audience who try to fuck with you.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
When I'm playing a song, an
हाँ
original, there'll
हाँ.
always be these two idiots who'll be doing
अरे मजा नहीं आया यार.
all that they do.
कुछ पंजाबी बजा रहा
I
ब्रो.
know, I know you're supposed to stay cool,
Yeah.
but that really pisses me off.